Hey everyone, this video is on a TSG doubt. So let's read the question first. The question says Vinay and Ranjit started simultaneously from Patna and Katiyar respectively towards each other. Means they started together. Vinay from Patna and Ranjit from Katiyar towards each other. They met after 4 hours. After meeting, it was Vinay. I read it as Vijay. I'm so sorry. Vinay decreased his speed by 10 kilometers per hour, while Ranjit did the same, but he increased. Each of them proceeded towards the starting point of each other, means where they were heading, they had there only. Both reached their destination simultaneously, means together they reached. Distance between Patna and Katiyar is 200 km. Find the initial speed of Vinay. Let's solve this. Say this point be Patna and this point be Katiyar. Vinay started from here, Ranjit from here. Say the speed of Vinay be V and speed of Ranjit be K. This complete distance is 200. Say after 4 hours, Vinay is at this point and this distance be A. From P to this point, the distance is A. So this distance will automatically be 200 minus A. Okay. Now, we know that distance equals speed into time. Same formula we'll be using here. So what's the distance here for Vinay? A equals time is 4 hours and speed is V. For Ranjit, 200 minus A equals time is same 4 only and speed is K. Okay, so from here V equals A by 4 and K equals 50 minus A by 4, isn't it? So we got two equations. Let's keep this aside. Two equation got. We will be using that later on. Now Vinay has this point was P and this point was K Katiyar. So Vinay will be walking this distance and Ranjit will be walking this distance because they have reached here. So Vinay will be walking, this was A and this was 200 minus A. So Vinay will be walking 200 minus A. Say he took T time and his speed will now be, initially it was V but now he has decreased his speed. The question is Vinay decreased the third line, 1 2 3 line, third line. Vinay decreases speed by 10, so this speed will be V minus 10. And for Ranjit, this is for Vinay. For Ranjit, he will be walking A distance and the time will be same time because they reach simultaneously, but his speed has increased and that has become K plus 10. This is K plus 10. Now when we'll be dividing both the equation, I'm erasing this, no longer of our use. Now here continuing the solution, divide both the equation, you will get 200 minus A equals V minus 10 by K plus 10. This is the equation we got, and initially we find out that V equals A by 4. So substitute that here, A by 4 minus 10, and K was 50 minus A by 4. So 50 minus A by 4 plus 10 equals 200 minus A by A. Now solve this. This will come out to be A minus 40 and this will be 240 minus A. So 200 minus A into 240 minus A equals A minus 40. Now you just simply have to multiply this, and on solving you will get A equals 120. Very easy. This question is 48000. A square will get cancelled by this and you will get 440 minus 40 will be 400 and 48000 by 400 will be 120. So we got A equal 120. The question is asking find the initial speed of Vinay. Initial speed of Vinay was V and A we found out 120, so 120 by 4 equals 30 is the answer to this question. Thank you so much.